It's my distinct honor to join you virtually today to share a few words about the future of this great industry. I wish I could be there with you in person, and I'm really looking forward to traveling the world again, as I'm sure many of you are. Travel and tourism are built on connections, and while this has been the most challenging year our industry has ever experienced, I know that we are resilient and we will recover. Different regions and markets will recover at different paces, but it's clear that people are beginning to travel again, proving that people are continuing to seek out the experiences that only travel can provide. That's especially true in China, where we're seeing increases in domestic travel and all of our hotels are open once again. Thank you all for paving the way forward and showing us what recovery can look like. Hilton recently reported our third quarter earnings results, which reflect the progress we've made over the last several months. Asia Pacific continues to lead the way in recovery, with occupancy in the third quarter reaching nearly 70% as domestic travel in China returned to pre-pandemic levels during the holidays. We're also continuing to expand our network in the region by working with Country Garden to bring Home 2 by Hilton to China, signing our 500th Hampton hotel in the country, and opening notable properties like the Hilton Beijing Tongzhou. Those milestones wouldn't be possible without our incredible team members and owners in this region who have worked day and night to be a beacon of hope for our communities and lead our business through a very challenging time. I especially want to recognize our team members in Wuhan who made huge sacrifices to serve medical workers at the epicenter of this crisis. As we work through our global recovery, much of what we have learned in China is a model for the rest of the world. Despite the challenges we face due to the coronavirus, our industry is resilient. We know the fundamentals remain true. People will continue to seek out connections and meaningful new experiences. Business will take time to pick back up, but over time, travelers will again move around the world with ease, recreating their favorite memories and building new ones. Our job as an industry is to ensure travelers have the confidence to do this by showing them that we're prioritizing their health and safety at every point in their journey. That's why we created Hilton Clean Stay with RB and Mayo Clinic, which sets a new standard for hygiene and cleanliness and builds on the already rigorous practices we employ across our more than 6,300 hotels worldwide. Hilton Clean Stay is all about giving our guests the peace of mind they need to travel again. And in addition to enhancing cleaning procedures, it enables guests to use our award-winning digital key technology for a truly contactless experience powered by their mobile devices. We've also introduced Event Ready by Clean Stay, which helps our meetings and events customers host flexible, safe, and socially responsible events, especially hybrid events. It's clear that hybrid events will be an important part of the business landscape, especially in the near term, as people begin to get comfortable meeting in person again. And we've already worked with customers around the world to bring these events to life. On an industry level, it's more critical than ever that we cooperate and work together to rebuild consumer trust. Travel and tourism is a deeply connected ecosystem, and travelers will need to know we are all doing our part to protect them. That's why my role as chairman of the World Travel and Tourism Council, I'm proud to support their global safe travel protocols, which we've designed to align our industry on common standards that protect travelers and workers alike. I was honored to recently represent WTTC and Hilton in the G20 meetings hosted by Saudi Arabia, where industry leaders and global government officials came together to discuss how we could work across sectors to instill confidence and make global travel as safe as possible. And throughout this crisis, I and Hilton senior leaders have met repeatedly with governments at the highest levels to advocate for our owners and our team members. It's clear that travel looks different right now. Guests are leaning more heavily on contactless technology. Food and beverage options are more personal rather than communal, and some gestures of hospitality have changed. But what remains the same is our industry's ability to positively impact our communities and the many people who count on us for their livelihoods. Travel and hospitality are unstoppable forces for good, and our hospitality is needed now more than ever. Challenging as this year has been, it's been truly inspiring to see how our global community has responded to this crisis, especially in China, where you were the first to experience the pain of this tragic pandemic. I couldn't be prouder of every member of our Hilton family and to be part of an industry that is so devoted to the people it serves. Thank you again for your courage, your grace under pressure. I cannot wait to be able to visit again very soon.